Welcome to the channel. Hi, my name is Brett, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new to the channel, you've seen me before, welcome back. We're gonna get started today. It's gonna be a little bit different video. It's gonna be a real quick one. We're just gonna be testing out the Dragy. Now, the Dragy is a module you get that mounts on your dash. It's a really small module, about an inch by 3 inch, I believe. And it mounts on your dash and communicates with signals via GPS through satellite. And then you download an app onto your phone, whether you use Android phone or Apple phone or Google phone. I think it works with all of them. Has a lot of cool features, so we'll jump right into it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're going to start with the unboxing, and then we're going to move on to a road test where we're going to test the device in the car. So it comes in an envelope here. It's a bubble wrap style envelope. So we'll go ahead and pull it out. This product came from Austin, Texas. Inside the envelope we have a box, a really small box here. There's not much to it. Go ahead and open that up, and it looks like there's our unit in there, so it's double boxed. That's nice. So comes in a nice looking box with white exterior. Looks like a sleeve over box, and you slide it open here. And you have the Dragy unit here. Inside, there's a little bubble wrap here. On top, a little foam, I guess, to protect the, I don't know what you call this, the module, I guess I'm gonna call it a module. It comes with the instruction on how to use it. It runs off an application on your phone, as you see here. All right, so it looks like we have to download an app, it's saying there, but it's really simple. This is all you're really getting in the box. Is this module here. Has a small LED, so it looks like there's a charging port, mini USB there. So we'll just go ahead and set that here. Actually, we'll set it there. See what else is in here. Looks like we also get a charging cable. So, and I'm surprised this is not USB-C. Since everybody's going to USB-C now, that's a surprise it's not USB-C. But anyways, it's the mini USB to the USB-A, I believe this one's called. So I'm not sure, again, if you have to have it plugged in order to use it, or if it will hold a charge. I'm pretty sure it'll probably hold a charge. It probably has a lithium battery in it, I would imagine, but I'll look into that and update you guys that somewhere on the screen. I'll probably place it. So we're just gonna set this aside here. Let me get something here to, all right, so let's just contrast it here. I'll set the unit up here for you guys to see what we're getting so far. All right. So it looks like we get two adhesive metal plates. So I'm assuming this unit is magnetic. Yep, so it is magnetic. So you get these metal plates here to attach it to your vehicle. So you can find a spot in the vehicle. I do want to note that the surface of this is quite flat. Again, the plate that they provide that it magnetizes to is also flat. So you're probably looking at a flat surface to attach this to. Just want to keep that in mind. So we'll have to look at where we're going to attach it in our vehicle. Today I'll be using the Audi to test it. So this product here will monitor your 0 to 60 times, 0 to 130. Also does it in kilometers as well. It has a quarter mile, half mile time performances, and it also is accurate to 1 1/100th of a second, so it's pretty accurate. So also another thing we want to note on this is they have a Dragy community, which is online, and you could actually share your times, your track times, your runs, whatever you record with the community. And then there's a leaderboard. So You can win local races on the leaderboard, and just track within the Dragy community what your performance is, and test it against other cars such as yours to see how you're performing against the other people that are using these units in your area. So let's just jump right to that. We're going to go from here to the Audi, and we're going to download the app and test this out. So we're here in the Audi, and we got the Dragy here, and we're going to go ahead and find a place to mount it. So we'll take it out of the box. Again, it's got a flat surface here, so it may or may not mount to the windshield very well. We'll see, as the windshields are typically curved slightly. I think I'm gonna put it on the windshield right here. So we'll go ahead and attach this plate. Hopefully it will contour to the windshield. I should have washed this first, but kind of trying to get this video done before the sun goes down. So I'm just gonna set it up there. It should hold. I'm not tripping off of it. All right, and then we'll just mount it right up there like that. That should work. All right, now what we're gonna do now, you can see here, we're going to open up Dragy app here, and all right, and we're gonna hit connect. So it looks like everything's communicating. We got the blue light blinking. The Dragy app is already communicated with the satellite, so everything looks ready to go. The only thing I can note that is if you're having a problem with the Bluetooth connection, what I would do is go to settings here, and then you're going to go down to all your application lists, and we'll go down to we find the Dragy app. Let's see, I think I passed it here. We'll go to the Dragy app, and then we want to go and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on within the Dragy app. Not just the Bluetooth under your Bluetooth settings inside your phone, but you want to go to the app itself and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. All right, so we'll come out of there, go back to the app, and we're going to test this out. So we got the module mounted up here. It's magnetic, so it does move. And we could take it off and take it out of the car when we leave at night, or put it in the glove box so no one gets any ideas that they need it more than we do. But we got it on video, so we're going to record our performance. For now, let me find a spot where we could actually test it out. As you can see, we got miles an hour, we got elevation here, some good data being recorded. So let me go find a spot to do some testing. I'm starting to run out of sunlight here, so hopefully I can get the video done before it goes dark. I got a cool little spot here by the bay where I usually do my test hits, so I will head over there now and see if I can't get a couple hits in, just so we could see how this app works. So we'll head over there now, so hang tight. It'll just be a minute. I'll get there and we'll get set up and do a couple of pulls. All right, so we're here. Again, this is not something you want to do on public roads. Today we're on a closed course, so I'm going to pull up to staging here, and I'm going to take my hit. All right, so I'm gonna put y'all back. I'm gonna put y'all back on the head cam. That way we could see what's going on. All right. So we're gonna go into video. We're gonna record this. All right, here we go. First hit. So that's the first hit. I'm gonna try to get one more in before the spot gets hot. So let's end that recording. Go in sport mode. All right, so we're back at the crib. We did a couple passes in the Audi, as you saw, and it worked well. It displayed properly. No issues with this Dragy unit. I would recommend it if you were interested in the performance of your vehicle. Again, you could use it in order to test and tune your vehicle, so you can see if you're getting any performance gains without having to go to the dyno or the track to test. This will come in really handy when you're doing any modifications or upgrades to your vehicle and you just want to do a quick test to see if you're improving the vehicle's performance or not. I definitely recommend this unit. It's really compact and it seems to communicate well through Bluetooth, and I had no issues with it communicating with a satellite for our GPS signal. So in conclusion, I would recommend this. Definitely if you're looking for something to measure your performance of your vehicle. And so that'll end this video, and until next time, stay good, family. Peace.